Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're fine and well. So, yes, this is our YouTube channel, guys. Come on, you know what to do. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the like button, click on the notification button. Make sure you get notified every time we post a video, or we just share anything insightful, anything informative, and something that can help you make money in the financial market. Literally, that's what we share on the YouTube channel. So, coming down here to the fundamentals we have today, what are we looking at? First up, we have the Bank of Japan Governor Radar speech around 6:12 a.m. this morning. That's come and it has gone. And in the next 12 minutes, we have Australian dollar, Reserve Bank of Australian dollar. The news on Australian dollar, basically. We have the Reserve Bank of Australia Governor Bullock. He has a speech. We're going to see we're going to hear or see what he has to say after he has said it, and then they were reporting it. Then we're going to read about it later on the internet. All right, so the 2:30 p.m. today, which is this is the most important data that we have today, which is on United States dollar, which is literally the jobless claim. The number of people that claim they don't have a job. The market is forecasting an increment of 3,000 people claim they don't have a job. So if we have a higher number, if we have something around 230K, then that is not good for the United States dollar. But anything below 218K, then that is going to be what? That's going to be good for a dollar. So I personally, because of my trade right now, I'm selling Kiwi dollar. I really love to see a smaller number, all right? Something like 210, 205, 2 something. So we can see DXY actually go up further, and then the likes of AU, NZD, USD, Euro dollar, Pound dollar, all of them can do what? They can come down, all right? They can come down. So that is my plan. For the person, someone said is trading, I think only one person is trading NZD USD card stopped me out. Yeah, that USD card is a little bit dramatic, and I will explain why that happened. Okay, I'm moving forward. Let's take a look at the technical part of today's session. And let's start with the trade that we have running currently, which is NZD USD. So right now we have Kiwi dollar. We took a sell on Kiwi dollar yesterday. As a matter of fact, when we were in class yesterday, I took like a 2-minute silence when I was analyzing Kiwi dollar. That was when I took the trade. Okay, the plan was if peradventure we get, peradventure we get a pullback, you should join. But the pullback didn't happen, and I did not want to be that guy that told you to join the trade when the setup is not actually ready yet. But later on the group, I sent it to you guys that I am already in. That is a signal to tell you that I am selling already. So some of you really need me to spell it out, like sell NZD USD. We had a plan. Okay, even some of you right here that do attend the intermediate class, where we're currently treating a flag pattern, and this is an obvious flag pattern, isn't it? It's a flaggy flag pattern. And we said there are two separate entries when it comes to flag pattern. We said you can count 2 candlesticks that break below the flag pattern, or you can wait for breakout and pullback. We have 2 candlesticks that break out of that flag pattern. That is your signal to go into trade. Moving forward, so I'm currently selling NZD USD, and we'll see how that goes. USD card is acting very weird right now, but let's wait until this particular bottom is taken out. This trade is still very much active, okay? Still very much active, but it is very, very crazy right now, all right? It's very, very crazy. But fingers crossed, like they say, fingers crossed, all right? We still keep watching. We keep holding on to the market momentum to see what the possibility is and how this could go in the next couple of days. So those are the 2 trades I have running right now. So moving forward let's start with DXY. Okay, let's continue with DXY. So it started. So DXY right now, the plan is plain and simple, okay? I actually did a little bit of new top-down analysis on DXY, okay? This morning when I was in a class with my friends, all right? So I did a new run on DXY, and literally this is a daily time frame trend line. This is more like a 1-hour time frame trend line. And you can see we have a daily resistance right here at 107.3, which is holding the price down. Okay, this is the particular resistance that is keeping the price at bay from flying towards the upside crazily. So that said, all we have to do right now is to wait patiently. If the price ended up breaking below here, pull back, there's high possibility that we're going to see it retesting this particular level at 105.30. All right, we can see it coming back to retest 105 zone. All right, possibly. But if that is not the case, and we end up seeing probably the jobless claim data came and it's favored dollar, we might likely see it break above here, pull back, and then off it goes to the top. All right, simple as that. Okay, simple as that. So that is more like the plan I have on DXY. It looks very simple, quite basic. All right, and that will be that. So if anyone is on Kiwi dollar and is running in profit right now, guys, make sure you put your trading stop right here. Okay, put your trading stop right at the very top here. Okay, the market, don't forget, where we are trading right now is at the very bottom. The same way DXY is where DXY is at the very top. Okay, we are trading Kiwi dollar, Aussie dollar, and the rest at the very bottom. Okay, so please put your trading stop right here. I don't know where the coordinates is. Let me help you get the coordinates for those that are actually trading this particular pair with me. So that is it. 0.5886. That is where the coordinate is. So keep a close tab on it. Let's see how this goes. All right. So moving on to gold. Gold right now break above the high. We're looking for short opportunity. And thank goodness we didn't take this sell when the market actually break out of these flag pattern right here. You can see, thank God we didn't take it. If we had taken it, it would have been a loss, an avoidable one, right? So that's why I put this structure right at the bottom of the market. Ended up breaking below here, pulling back, then that would be a very good sell. Okay. However, the fact that is what I'm saying. Most of the time, my strategies keep me from losing. I mean, this would have been a very good loss. A very good loss. There's still a little bit of I could still find a reason why the loss would have been nice. Okay, genuinely it would have been nice. And some of you will be very confused, like, why would I say the loss have been nice? Because it will still follow my system. I mean, I would still be following my system if I had taken this trade. Because this is a very clear flag pattern. What the heck is this? It is a very clear flag pattern right there. It is simple and very, very basic. All right. The market break below, we have two candlestick break. Good. The reason why I didn't take this trade, for some of you that couldn't ask, is because we can see we have a little bit of higher highs, okay, in our trend. So I want this particular low to get broken because if you take this to 5 minutes and 15 minute time frame, it's already a bullish trend. So many people are already buying. Okay, so many people are buying. You'll be surprised how many people are buying. I don't want to get caught up in that drama of the smaller time frame pressure. That's why I put the structure right below here. The market break below it, pull back nicely. That would be a good sell. And that's why I didn't join the trade. But right now, nothing's spoiled yet. Okay, I want to see if the market can break above here. I mean, it already break above here. I want to see it do that very nicely, pull back, and then I will take it back right at the top here. If it happens to now come down, because anything can still happen, the market, this could be a false breakout. The market will come down, pull back, break out again, then do a very nice pullback. This will be the only area I'll be looking for what? I'll be looking for short opportunity. Whatever happens inside this box, I don't care. If I'm going to take a buy, the play that I drew there earlier would be the reason why I'll take the buy. Okay, a breakout, a pullback just like this. This would be the reason why I'll take the buy. All right. So moving on to euro dollar. So what do we have on euro dollar right now? Euro dollar is dropping down as expected. I would really love to see this actually drop further down. That would really give me joy because I still want to give selling a shot. And let me show you something real quickly. On the weekly band, you can see what we have right now. The market is bearish. Okay, let's even go to the monthly time frame because some of you don't understand what top-down analysis is. All right, and this is the epitome of everything called trading. Okay, this is the epitome of everything called trading. Top-down analysis. The higher time frame controlled the lower time frame. This I don't want to explain everything to you fully because this is what I teach my student basically. All right, but the higher time frame, I'm just gonna stop there. The higher time frame stops, okay, and decide what the lower time frame will be. No matter what you see on the lower time frame, this is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Yes, the market is bearish. You can as well just get in line, okay. But the way you now position yourself on the lower time frame, why you keep everything on the higher time frame stable and at the back of your mind is the professionalism in everything. It's the professionalism in trading. So as you can see right here, the market is bearish on the monthly time frame. On the weekly time frame, what can you see right here? Bearish again, isn't it? Yes. On the daily time frame, what are you saying? Market is bearish again. Because if this market is going to change direction, this high right here has to be what? It has to be taken out. You have to see something like this. You have to see the price at the top of it. The fact that the market is not at the top means the market is still bearish. If it comes to the top here, it's still bearish. If the market gets to the top here, it's still bearish. Until, okay, and put me anywhere, until this particular top, right? This particular top right here is taken out. Then we can say the market is bullish. All right. So you have to always put things in what? In perspective. Okay, put things in what? In perspective. So yes, we have a very strong support where the market is testing right now, right at the bottom here. But that doesn't mean the market can break below it. Okay, that's broken the lowest. I mean, you should not predict what the market will do. Don't tell me what the market will do. Let the market do what it's going to do, and you just be there to see it. Okay, to watch it happen. That's how it goes. So moving on to, let's just come back to our 1 hour time frame. I just want to show you that quickly. Okay, so moving forward, euro dollar, I'm still looking forward to what? A very good and clean bearish momentum to continue. Okay, that is my plan. I just want to sell right below here. But don't forget, there is still a possible buy coming up swiftly at the top here. Okay, provided that this top is taken out, okay, this particular resistance here, or let's say key zone, because previously it was used as support. So this key zone, once it's taken to the upside, it's taken out, the market pull back and we tested it, then we can start looking forward a possible buy. But if this top is not taken out, then there's a possibility that the market will drop further. And the short opportunity that we took last week Thursday, right here, if our stop loss had been a little bit higher, okay, I think that was a little bit of a fault from my own end. If our stop loss had been a bit higher, I mean, this trade will still be running right now, probably in profit. Okay, so that's something I have to work on. I think I have to work on a stop loss, our stop loss, and that is why I put my stop loss on USD card a little below where it's supposed to be. Okay, this is where I put my stop loss on USD card. That's why I'm still holding on to this trade till now. Okay, anything can happen. You saw what happened to euro dollar. It tapped the top, it couldn't break it, then it's going back down. All right, so this is stop loss is a very pivotal role. It plays a very pivotal role in trading. And if you are taking this trade right at the top here, we could as well just put our stop loss at break even right now. I mean, if the market end up going back, it's fine. It's fine to get out of it because obviously the market is already ranging, which is a play that we don't even play in anyways. So putting our stop loss at the top here will be nice. All right. So please, let's keep a close tab on everything, especially on Euro USD. It looks very good. So pound USD on the other hand, pound dollar looks really, really good right now. However, it's also ranging. I would love to see how the breakout happen. I actually circle all of this just to put everything in perspective and for us to see what the market is doing right now. So it is ranging. There is high possibility that the market will break to the top, all right, and then pull back. Then we start looking for a very good buy opportunity right after the pullback. But don't forget, Jimmy is not the kind of guy that break out and pull back. You know how long we waited for this pullback, right? That didn't happen. The small one that happened in the middle of the night, which is not fair. And that's why we miss out on this interesting drop. Okay, that beautiful drop. That's why we miss out on it. So let's hope that the market do what? The market break out of either of this level, all right, or this structure, excuse me, maybe break below here, pull back nicely. We're going to take a short opportunity. Then break above here, pull back. We're going to take a buy opportunity. All that said, so what could pose a challenge for a buy opportunity? Nothing literally. Okay, nothing literally. Aside this level right here, these two levels right here, I don't see this buy opportunity being disturbed in my own personal opinion. However, for our short opportunity, we have a daily trend line. That actually is a weekly trend line that could pose as a challenge. So let's take a look at that one real quickly. So for our weekly, on our weekly time frame, you can see we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And the market kind of make a little bit of two lows right here, but it's a little bit of higher low as well because this is the previous low, this is the new low, but there is no higher high. I would say a double low, and then the market make a new higher high, and then we're having a new low. So if this sell opportunity will play very well, then this particular trend line has to be violated right here. That's why I said we are at a very important level right now. Okay, a very, very important level or zone or even region that the market could actually just bust to the upside. Okay, the same on euro dollar, the same on Aussie dollar, and the same on Kiwi. That's why I said we should start trading Kiwi very closely. Okay, the market could bust out to the upside, and it can actually bust to the downside. The same thing that happened on USD CAD that we are currently in, and it's kind of peppering us up and down, right? So let's just keep a close tab on everything. Okay, and let's see how it goes. I just have to show you that on the weekly time frame so you understand what of the analysis is. Okay, that would be that. Anyways, that would be that. Moving on to USD JPY. USD JPY is quite a very weird pair. Okay, right now it's a very weird pair. As you can see, I had to do another analysis on it this morning. All right. So right now the plan is to look for buy opportunity. Okay, right at the top there. And why am I taking a buy opportunity? Because on the daily time frame, you can see that the market is still very much bullish. All right. You can see the bullishness is there. The market come all the way from here. You can see higher highs, higher lows. I mean, you should be able to see it very clearly on the weekly band, anyways. Okay, you should be able to see it very clearly on the weekly band. You can see right there. Okay, you can see we have higher high, higher low. The market kind of like shrinking, touch this area, then it bounced up again. Higher low, higher high, higher low. Maybe we're getting new higher high in the next couple of weeks. All right. So we just have to wait. But right now, obviously, the market is quite bullish. Like I said, the importance of what? Top-down analysis. Importance of top-down analysis. And I can see someone here, yes, that I mean two people. Yeah, to be honest, it's two people that they should be able to run top-down analysis the same way I'm running mine, okay, because they must have gone through they've actually gone through. Some of them are still going through it anyways. Okay, through my mentorship session, one-on-one session anyways. So USD JPY right here, the plan is to look for buy opportunity. Okay, a break above here, pull back, we initiate a buy opportunity. But don't forget, provided that this particular high is what is taken out. Don't forget, when it comes to me taking a flag pattern kind of trade, I love to take two ways. Okay, two simple ways. Is that I look for what two candles that break above there, I take a buy, or what breakout and pullback. But what I have right here is breakout and pullback. And why? Because this is a very dramatic pair. Okay, a very dramatic pair. When the pair will tell me what to do. Okay, the pair will tell me what to do, how to pick the trade. And pair like UJ, USD card, gold, yeah, those pair I need extra confidence before I join the trade. Okay, extra confidence before I join the trade. So that is just that. And so moving forward, that's my buy opportunity on USD JPY. However, for a short opportunity, first of all, I would love to see this particular level get taken out, this trend line, pull back, break out again, pull back, then I'll start looking for short opportunity. Okay. A short opportunity or sell trade will begin right after this particular level is being broken. Okay, right after this particular level structure right there is being broken. If it's broken successfully, I guess I'll start looking forward a possible sell opportunity. Anything else outside of that, I am not super interested. Okay, I'm not very much interested. Heading back to USDCHF. Okay, USDCHF also seems to be coming down now. I didn't pick this one either. Okay, once you're in USD card, you don't need to join USDCHF. They most likely work same way. So that is that. I don't know what's happening to dollar now. It's quite, you can see right at the top when I showed you earlier, dollar index is ranging. Okay, it's ranging at the top. So when the market is ranging like that, a lot of things will happen. You get tap out and loss quite early. Then the market will start doing some very funny thing later. It's always unstable. All right, it's always what it is always unstable. That's how stuff like that happen. Okay. However, as far as the XY is concerned, the plan is still quite bullish. Okay, until the structure is broken, and that is the reason why I am still I'm still quite bullish on the likes of UCAD, USDCHF, and the likes. But until the actual structure is formed, or let's even say, I'm going to take the continuation of this buy trade. This particular level right at the top has to be broken first up. Okay, because of the drama that's happening on DXY right now. Okay, for me to consider a buy at all, I want to see a break above there, a pullback, and then off it goes to the top. That's where I'm going to start from. If I'm going to take a sell opportunity, a short opportunity on this particular pair, it's going to look like this. Okay, I want to see multiple levels getting broken. This particular high has to be taken out, pull back, maybe. But when that happens, we see how it goes. I have to actually rebrand this thing, we analyze it, and then get it fixed in a way. But for now, I'm focusing on the buy opportunity, and that will be that. Heading back to Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, on the other hand, is playing chicken. Okay, it seems to be playing like DXY right inside this box. All right, and I don't like it. That's why I'm just being very cautious right now as far as all the dollar is concerned. I like the pair, but this particular move right now, I don't like it. Okay, I genuinely don't. The market is still very much bearish. You can see in the weekly time frame, you can see that trend line on the weekly time frame, right? You can see this. The market is doing lower lows, right? Lower low, lower high. Oh God, that's not it. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, and then it's time ranging right here. So the market is still bearish, right? There's still so many room at the bottom that I could touch, right? So many room right here that it could go back and retest. But it seems like dollar strength is not conquering Aussie just about yet. But you have to keep a close tab on this one anyways. So watching it very closely, keeping close tab on everything, calling the shot as we see it. The only place I will start looking for buy opportunity will be right at the top here. Okay, right at the top here. And as you can see, it has broken this bullish trend line, meaning that the bullish momentum is over. But don't forget, it came here to retest this area, kind of form like double top. I mean, double bottom, excuse me, but I mean, every range you form double top, double bottom. Not if I form multiple tops and bottom. So that is just that on all the dollar. However, I'm not super confident on this just about yet. So I will still keep a close tab on it. It breaks above here, pull back nicely, I will give it a shot. If it break below here, pull back nicely, I will give it a shot. That would be my plan on the pair overall. Okay, that would be my plan on the pair overall. But right now, I'm seated, I'm watching, and I would love to see how it goes. Okay, I would love to see how it goes. Moving on to what next? Yeah, so moving on to GJ. GJ is another pair that I'm sitting on off. Okay, I'm sitting away from it right now. It's breaking, it's forming a very ridiculous structure that I don't really understand. And I'm definitely not gonna touch it for anything. Okay, until something changes, or maybe it forms a pattern that I kind of understand. This is the only reason why I would touch this one today. Okay. Euro GBP on the other hand as well. I would love to see how this goes. I think someone said he wants to take a buy, but for me, I actually deleted everything. I want to analyze it again. You can see all the structure right here. If it's come to the 4 hour time frame, it looks like it's ranging, right? It looks like a very weird range, which doesn't really make any sense. Internet has been very dramatic today. I can see people going off and on and off like that. It's very weird. So Euro GBP right now, nope, I don't have anything on it. I'm not gonna meddle into it. I'm actually not even gonna touch it at all. But what we have here is Bitcoin. Bitcoin did amazingly. As in, when we analyzed it like yesterday, we had a plan that if it breaks above here, the only reason why we're going to take a buy opportunity across the above there, pull back nicely, we're going to give it a shot and see what's happening right now. Bitcoin ended up breaking above 93,400 and then it crossed above it. And now it's sitting very comfortably at 97K. That is a plus $4,000, give or take. Okay, plus or minus $4,000. That's a very good profit. The target is still right above, right at 100K. Everyone has been talking about 100K, 100K for a very long time, right? So let's see if it's going to happen before the end of November. But if that didn't happen, it is what it is. But if it does happen, I'm very sure that there'll be so many sellers sitting at the top here, trying to take advantage of, selling. And that could be a very bad thing to do because, the pressure that will be coming from buyers might actually cut them off, take their orders, and then, kill them. But we don't know what's going to happen anyways. Since the market hasn't even touched 100K yet, but let's see how that goes. So that's that on Bitcoin, honestly. Okay, still buying. Let's see how that goes and then watching it very closely right at the top there. And then let me do a quick recap and then off I go today. NZD USD, I'm selling. I'm holding my short opportunity and I'm holding on to my sell trade until further notice. Okay, until something else changes. That's the only reason why I would be out of this trade. I'm already locked in profits. I can't do this trade anymore. The USD card, on the other hand, still kind of like lower, okay, for my entry. It's kind of very close to taking me out and loss. I don't know how this goes. I mean, I don't know. I can't say how this is going to play out, but I'm watching very closely. If it ended up closing out and loss, definitely everyone's going to see it and know about it. I don't have any problem telling people about my loss. It's part of the game. All right. As for gold, I want gold to push up further to the upside and then tap down. Okay. I wanted to push to the upside, come back down to retest properly, and then I'll start looking for buy opportunity. Although some people might say this is a pullback, that is not my own kind of pullback. I like something like this, higher high, higher low. This kind of pullback, Yes, that's my kind of pullback. Higher high, higher low. This kind of pullback, yes, that's my kind of pullback. This right here, I rather consider this kind of pullback on the likes of euro dollar and pound dollar when I know all I have to do is just 20 pips. But not on gold when I have to risk like 150 pips. I need a good pullback on gold. If it doesn't give good pullback, I'm not going to touch it. The same way I took a shot right here when it did this very strong pullback. This is a very good one. Okay, it doesn't happen all the time, but they do happen sometimes. So that's what the plan is. So watching gold closely and carefully, and I would love to see how it goes. Euro dollar, on the other hand, is a short opportunity, still going down gradually. But for now, we don't know how this is, where this is going to end. But let's see how it goes. Let's keep a close tab on it. Sell opportunity is possible. And you can see the build up inside the range, right? The lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. The break below here and pull back again. That would be a very good one, right? Then we can take a short opportunity. The build up inside the range is fine, but let's see if it's going to break below that support, all right? Moving on to pound USD, which is the last one we're going to be taking a look at. I think the build up inside the range is also kind of clean, but not super clean. So you have to watch it very closely. You can see it's kind of range a little bit there. So if you break below here, pull back nicely, I guess we're going to see, we're going to check a quick short opportunity out or a short trade out. But don't forget, this weekly trend line is there and proposed as a challenge. But the market is still a bit far away from it. So if we can try to trade, before it gets here, we already start trading. And if you end up breaking it, hallelujah. If it doesn't break it, we close out in a small profit, still hallelujah, right? So that's that for me today. I'll see you all tomorrow, which is Friday, the end of the week. And I will say you trade well. All right. Endeavor to keep your profits stable. Okay. Don't run in and out of trade. Don't be sporadic. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be scared. All right. And I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye for now.